Corruption is a decadent reality, which we all have become accustomed to. According to the latest Transparency International report, India is ranked 87th in the Corruption Index, making it one of the most corrupt countries in the world. For Indians, it means bribing officials in most walks of life, be it for driving license, police station, or the passport office. But now, under this man, a former Indian administrative officer, fight against corruption is being waged in a rather novel way, using citizens' feedback on corruption through a web portal called iPaidAbribe.com.
The core of the website was to have three columns or three sections where citizens could report bribes. So this was the I paid a bribe section, the I didn't pay a bribe section, and I didn't have to pay a bribe section. So this is the core of our website, because this is where the reports come in. And as of today, we've got something like 6,400 reports. 88% of them are about people having had to pay bribes. But we have about 700 cases where people did not pay bribes. That's a little more than, say, 10%, 11% or so.
Launched in August 2010 by a Bangalore-based citizen-oriented organization, Janagraha, iPaidAbribe.com has since emerged as a platform that counters corruption by assisting government to make systemic changes to reduce opportunities of corruption, a task that begins by citizens reporting the incidence of bribe on core parameters of measuring corruption. The reports are segregated into relevant slots pertaining to specific government departments or geographical locations. An analysis of reports is then carried out to help arrive at the market price of corruption. This information in turn helps in identifying the scope of corruption with respect to a specific sector or department. And from here, a task similar to business process re-engineering for the government department is carried out. The critical mass of citizen reports and its analysis is compiled into an annual report which is presented to the concerned department.
We call it a Jana Mahiti report, which is where we take a particular sector, analyze it, and then kind of present it to the department concerned in the government. So we did that to the transport department of the government, which seemed to be very sympathetic and very responsive to what we were doing.
And today, based on the report, the Bangalore Transport Department has already initiated an action against its corrupt officials. But Avanti Bailey, the operations manager of the initiative, stresses that in essence, the idea behind iPaidAbribe.com is not to confront the government department or to get specific individuals punished, but to work with them for a long-term reform.
So we do not target individuals because firstly we believe that there are lots of lacunae in the current system which essentially drive people to be corrupt, so we don't want to go there. And secondly, even if you replace one corrupt official with another, what guarantee do you have that he's not going to be just as corrupt? So we're looking at long-term reform rather than short-term solutions.
And to further bolster the long-term goals against corruption, iPaidAbribe.com is also engaged in various ancillary activities, from campaigning for ratification of the UN Convention on Corruption to helping government offices reform their systems, to publishing an online newsletter or contributing academic resources on the website, to even helping develop a citizen charter for people. And now, people too are joining iPaidAbribe.com in these initiatives, a fact that proves itself with close to 500,000 hits and thousands of reports filed in just about 8 months of the front being there.